back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And I really quickly wanted to address why we haven't been doing voiceovers lately. It is because we both have construction going on at both of our houses right now, so that's why we have been just uploading tutorials with just music. I hope you guys don't mind, but for this one I am doing a voiceover. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer and I just primed my eyelid. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Sassy Siennas palette from Dose of Colors, and it is all matte shades, but I absolutely love the pigmentation and the color selection. It's just spot on. All of Dose of Colors palettes like this are really amazing. I've tried all of them. And yeah, the first shade that I'm going in with is the very first light pink shade, and I'm just picking that up with a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just putting that shade in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions, and this shade is just going to act as the background before we go into deeper shades. Next I'm going in to this terracotta shade, and I'm picking that up with a defined angled brush, and I'm just starting to put that in my crease. I believe that shade is called Brassy, and I just started to create a line of where I want all of my definition in my crease to be, and then I went back into that first transition shade with that same blending brush, and I just did circular motions and back and forth motions to blend that line out, because even though we want it to be nice and defined, we still want it to be blended. And then I decided to clean up the lid, so I just grabbed the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer and I just cleaned up that entire space on my eyelid. And when I do this, I always set it in place with translucent powder. And then I went in with this Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow and this Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter. The Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow is called My Jam, and it's absolutely stunning. It has little reflex in it, and it would have been great just to leave it just like this, but I wanted to add glitter over top, and I added the Anastasia Team No Sleep glitter.
The way we are.
For lashes, I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. This style is currently sold out on our website, but we do have a few other styles that are still in stock, so I'll definitely leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our lash line. And I would really quickly want to give a shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys that have still been placing orders on our website and supporting our business. It means so much to us. And then going into that transition shade, just applying it to my lower lash line. And the very last thing that I did was I applied some mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And just so you guys know, we still are doing monthly giveaways, so still definitely give every video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, hit your post notification bell, and comment done when you do all those things. If you live in the US, unfortunately our giveaways are US only. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye!